Hello everyone, my name is Scott and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Resident Evil 2 The Remake, Part 2. We are continuing with Leon. He just got his knife, so let's get going. I think this is what we need the knife for, right here.
This is not how I imagined my first day.
Right. It's first day on the job. Got a zombie outbreak. What kind of luck is that? Oh, hey. Green herb. Nice. Oh, you know what? I need to get rid of some inventory. What's going on? Need to reload. Operations room, huh? And it's blocked off. Okay. Body found in woods. I wonder if that's a reference to the first Resident Evil. Oh man. Touchdown, huh? That must be landing a helicopter, maybe? Oh, that's gnarly. Oh.
What?
Hey. Who's throwing Oh, hi. Oh, that looked painful. More windows to board up, I think. Oh, nice. That's gross. He's twitching. Hey, he looks like he should be eating pellets. Nom, 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 nom. Okay. What's this? Confiscated item storage. There might be something useful in there. There's probably lots of verbs in there, that's for sure. Okay. Hey, somebody left the window open. Okay. What's going on here? Hey! No, you need to stay out. I'm not gonna waste my ammo on you if I don't have to. Ah, crap, and I have to. Exactly, just great. Yeah. Ah. Oh no. Oh no, this is not good. Oh, this is not good. Oh. Oh, gross. I cut her legs off. Holy cow. I didn't know you can do this. Alright, now she's not even recognizable. I think I just cut her arm off. That's so cool. Alright. Leon, there's something wrong with you, buddy. You just need to calm yourself down. Mutilating dead bodies like that. Okay. Oh, hey, some ammo. I'm probably gonna need to take. I'm probably gonna need to heal myself. Let's see here. How do I get to my inventory? There we go. Let's use a spray. Alright. All better now. Alright. Oh, hey. It's a map. Okay. Cool. Oh, hey, what's here? Hello? Oh. Oh. This big boy hungry? Hi. If I walk past you, are you going to even notice? Maybe not. West office. This room looks familiar. Gunpowder. Do I make bullets? Uses of gunpowder. Let's see. Handgun ammo, 2 gunpowder. Shotgun shells, gunpowder, high grade gunpowder, yellow. Mag ammo, high grade gunpowder, yellow 2. Oh, I think you mix herbs with the gunpowder. Interesting. There's not a lot of ammo left around the station, so make good use of any gunpowder you find. Different guns require different ammo, so pay attention when you're combining things or you won't get what you need. Okay. Good to know. Hey. Hey. You just... Oh, the big boy just came in here.
What the fuck?
How many shots to the head did these guys need?
Ah, shit!
You better stay down, my friend. You too. Just stay down. Oh, that sounded gross. Okay. Oh no, my knife. It looks like it's just about broken. Rookie's first assignment. Leon S. Kennedy, we're putting you on a very special case for your first assignment. Your mission is to unlock your desk. The key to your success is in the initials of our first names. Put the letters in order of our desk. There are 2 locks, one on each side of your desk. Make sure you get them both. Basically, your first task is to remember your fellow officers' names. But you figured that much out, right? Good luck, Leon. By the way, it might take a little work to get Scott to give you a straight answer. Scrawled in the corner between drops of blood. Be glad you're not here, rookie. Well, this must be a little initiation test, so let's get going here. I had a feeling you were a zombie. Oh crap. No. Oh, man. And that knife broke way too fast for me. Hey, it's a safe. I don't know the combination yet. Do you happen to know the combination? Oh well. Maybe it's gotta be on a note on a desk. Hey, what's this? Operation report. September 28, 2:30 a.m. It's down to just me and 3 others. No weapons, no ammo. And too many skirmishes have drained us mentally and physically. We're not going to make it. Officer Phillips once suggested we escape through the sewers. Apparently, there is a secret tunnel under this place left over from its museum days. I brushed her idea off before, but now it's not sounding all that bad. Yeah, there's no proof there's even a tunnel or that the sewers are infested with zombies, but I don't want to sit here and wait to die either. It's a long shot, but I'm going to try to find out what I can about the tunnel. Elliot Edward. Alright, well, I don't think you made it, did you? Ooh. Wait a minute. Wasn't I supposed to figure out? Okay. Marvin. David. Wait. I think I need to know all their initials. So, N, E, D. Alright, let's try this. Got it. And on the other side, we have. Wait. R and M. Who is this? Does this belong to, though? Well, okay, so R and M are the middle and last. Or, yes. So let's do R and M. Oh, maybe not. We'll go with that. Hey! We'll take a high capacity mag. Matilda. Very nice. Leon S. Kennedy. Yeah, it's my desk. Nice. Alright. Nice. I just got me a couple achievements. Now I can carry more bullets in my mag. I like this. Okay, good. Good. Getting somewhere. Alright. Hey. Ah, no. Hey. Sorry, my friend.
Son of a bitch.
That's what I was thinking.
What?
Would you just stay dead already? Thank you. Alright, I could use some coffee after all that. Cold drinks. What kind of options do we have? I don't even know. Okay. Doesn't look like we can go that way. Where else do I have to go? Hey, he's got something. Oh. Well, that's always a good thing to have. You won't need it anymore anyways. Right? Hey, what's in here? Oh. Nice. Oh, what's this? To open doors? Oh. Maybe 201 or 102, I mean? 102. Oh, I need to find the missing buttons. Okay. There's gunpowder. Another knife, which I could use. Oh, is that a battery? I don't know. Weapons locker. Oh. Some shotgun shells. Oh, the shotgun. Oh, hey. How do I get all this? More shotgun shells. Oh, some armor. Something like this. It's a backpack. Here's a note. Storage locker terminal memo. It appears that the keypad to the locker's terminal is missing a few keys. I suggest that the person responsible for this mess find some spare keys and fix it right now. You know who you are, bastard. Who else would, it up this badly? Alright, well, I guess I have to find some spare keys. I don't know where to find spare keys, but... No. Okay, I need to hurry up and put these boards up. Alright, now you should stay out. I think I'm safe. Hey, and there's a door. Is there any spare keys? Does anybody keep spare keys in here? There's lots of cameras. Locker room. Let's store the gunpowder. Oh, hey, typewriter. Let's go ahead and save it real quick. What does this note say? Medical benefits in herbs. Humans have used herbs to treat sickness and disease since the dawn of time. In this book, we will explore 3 such herbs native to the Ahhhh Mountains. Green herbs have the ability to heal basic injuries, while blue herbs have long been used to treat poisoning. As for red herbs, while they are visually appealing, they offer no medical benefits, or so it was thought until recently. It's well known that combining herbs together produces blends that heighten the herbs' effects. As for red herbs, while they are visually appealing, they offer no medical benefits, or so it was thought until recently. As well known that combining herbs together produce blends that heighten the herbs' effects, but it has been discovered that red herbs can play a big role when mixing properly. According to one doctor of Asian medicine, mixing blue and red herbs together produces a blend that will strengthen one's constitution. Truly, we have only just begun to realize the full potential of these herbs and their ability to heal human body. Further research is sure to yield even more fascinating results. Alright. Oh. Hey, let there be lights. Okay, oh hey, I can open this. Oh, I could use that. Alright, sure, I'll get more gunpowder. I'll just put that away for now. Okay. What do we have in here? Film contains evidence. Do not leave it out. Okay. Ah, this is the red herb. Gotcha. What do we got here? Oh. Oh, that other locker. What I was thinking was a battery. Must be film. I think I have to develop that film in here. Okay. Well, let's save it one more time just because. And let's get going. Oh yeah. You're still out there. I'm not even worrying about you at all. Can I help you? Ah, no, but you can certainly help me. Alright. Thank you so much. Oh. Sorry, my friend. Oh, man. I blew a big chunk of his face off. Oh. Oh, no. That guy's gone. It's locker room. Can I not? Oh, I guess not. Must be too hot. Oh, hey. Excuse me there. Okay, so I need to figure out the combination for that lock. Okay, some shotgun shells. Portable safe instructions. Press a button to light up the corresponding lamp. Light them all to open the safe. The buttons must be pressed in a certain order. Pressing a single button out of order will cause the lights to go out and you will need to start the sequence over again. Okay. Where is this puzzle then? What's this? The portable safe. Okay. I suppose I have to examine this. You can examine an item from different angles by selecting it and using examine the command. You might reveal something that helps you progress. Okay. So let's examine. Got it. Alright. Easy enough. Spare part. I found a button. Alright. Who would keep a spare part in there? These guys play too many pranks on themselves, I think. Oh, what else? Oh, the red herb. Okay, well, let's go back downstairs and put that button. Ha! I hope he doesn't break off the boards. Okay, great. This one right here, yes. Wait, I had a choice to put that. Okay. Nice, this is something I needed. I think I should go back to that office. It was not where the safe room was. Yes, this is the place. Alright, let's go to the safe. Or not safe. Ah. The chest, that's what I wanted. Okay, let's put these green herbs away. And red herbs. Let's put that away for now. What's that? Okay. Alright, I have another knife. That's awesome. Wait, maybe we should save it before I die. Wonderful. The other locker, so I need to open that I can open. That's, I can probably open these right now. 109. 106. I can do that. 109. Ah, come on. Great. Okay. 106. Okay. Just can't do 102 yet. Yeah, okay, roll film. I know where I gotta go for that. Always use more ammunition. Okay. Let's see, 208. And 203. I can't do any of those yet. Because I don't have a 2 button. I need one more. Okay, well, that still gives me enough to go and take care of whatever I just found here. Hello, buddy. Sorry to leave you out in the rain like that, but you know, it's Yeah, for your own good. Use this. Alright, what's that photo all about? Wait. What happened? Do I not have the photo anymore? Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, there it is. What is this supposed to be about? He's got a book and a rod in his hand. I think. Oh. Can't turn the page around. Alright. It's gotta mean something. I just don't know what. Either way, I got a little bit more ammo. Okay. This is one thing I loved about the original Resident Evil games, is that there were puzzles and you had to figure them out and spend some time to try to figure them out. I mean, the other games had puzzles, but like not as often as the originals here, like the first three. Yeah, looks like my ammo's full. Oh, another fully loaded. My gun. My gun fully loaded? Oh hey, here we go. Oh, another lock here. Oh, I found the key. I need this key. Okay, what's up with the miniature mannequin? Alright, well now we got the blue key. Alright. Oh, holy crap, what was that?
What in the...
Oh. I think I know what that is. What's this? To any survivors, consider this a gift. For anyone still unfortunate enough to be alive, keep your eyes peeled for those creepy fucks that look like they were skinned alive. Lickers, we call them. They're blind as bats, but their hearing more than makes up for that. So long as you don't go running around like a total idiot, guns a-blazing, you should be able to slip right by them, probably. Either way, make like my grandma and creep around as slow as possible around them, yeah? Anyway, not that I want to go, but duty calls. That, and I've got a friend to avenge. David. Alright. Thanks for the warning, David. Alright. What do we have here? More gunpowder. Alright. More planks. Those always come in handy. Alright. That looks like a pile of poo. It might actually be. Maybe from those liquor guys. What is this? Is that a medallion? What's this? Hip pouch. Oh, this gives me more inventory space. So that was probably in the other locker. What's another one of those? Okay. Some guy's scribblings. Damn those corporate assholes. They cut me off after all I've done for them. But if that's how they're going to be, so be it. I'm going to have a little fun of my own as the world goes to shit. I boarded all those filthy pigs up in a steel pen and set some C4. All I gotta do is detonate and it's sayonara, suckers. But it's no fun if it's over too soon, so maybe I'll give that one raving loon something to really squeal about. Yeah, maybe I'll give him a little toy and tell him to kill the guy next to you, and I'll spare the others. I wonder what he'll do. You yelling about justice and pride. But how many times did you go against me? Your own superior. Yeah, you're such a good cop, so good you had to die. Man, this is fun. I need some music for this. Man, that guy's a freaking lunatic. You know, and the fact that he even left that note, that's a little bit crazy. C4. Can't I just shoot it? Apparently I need something for it. Don't want to waste a bullet on it. That's probably why they left bullets there, just in case someone decided to shoot it. Let's forget about that for right now. Let's see here. We need to go through this door.
Leon, it's Marvin. I need you back here ASAP.
Are you okay, Marvin?
I've got something to show you. It's important.
Copy that. I'll be right there.
Gotcha. Oh. Wait, Leon. There's something going on down here. Oh, that poor bastard. I wonder if I should just shoot him. I don't even know if that guy's alive. Yes. That was satisfying, oddly. Gotta love a one-shot kill. Wait, there's more down there. Is this an herb? No, it's just a bouquet of flowers, okay. Well then, let's go. Hey. Hey, buddy. Oh, I missed. Hey. Back away, lady. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be the end of her. What's over here? Oh, crap. Okay. Hi.
Jesus.
Yeah, you need to be gone. Yes. Alright. Where's that dead zombie?
What the?
That's what I thought, lady. Oh, another combat knife. Thank you, officer. Okay. Now what? Now what to do? What else is there? Oh, hey, there's something. Hold. Oh, wait a minute, I think this is used to get across. Oh, nice. More ammunition. I forgot to check behind all these things. Anything? Alright, moving on. Can't do those, I don't think. Oh, is there something over there? Let's see here. That's why. And there's a door over there. Okay, that makes some sense now. gunpowder. Oh, it's the unicorn statue. Where is it? In the notes. Yes, officer's notebook. Yes, unicorn. It's the fish, the scorpion, and the water pitcher. So, fish, scorpion, water pitcher. Ha! Got it. Very nice. What's this? Police station upper floors map. Okay. Nice. Okay. What sort did I get from that one, I think. Yeah. Open up. Well, I think that's it for this room. Exit. Let's take the exit. Hey. That's the book that was in the photograph. Okay. Okay. That has to go somewhere. Ah, my good friend is downstairs. I want to examine this real quick. Let's see. A piece of plastic shaped like a book. It looks like it was being held by a hand at some point. Ah, indeed. Okay. Let's get going. Let's see what's going on here.
There you are. Come here. Take a look.
Yes! I knew she'd make it.
You know her?
Yeah. Name's Claire. I came into town with her.
You can get to that courtyard. Through the second floor. East side.
I'm on it. Thanks, Lieutenant.
Should I do it now? Can I just plop? Alright. He'll probably be fine. It's just a flesh wound. Wait. Let's put that medallion away. It goes right here. Oops. Okay. Medallion.
So Elliot was right.
Yeah. The passage isn't open yet.
Interesting. Okay. I think this is about as far as I made it on the original Resident Evil 2. So I'm trying to save, but let's go ahead and save. Let's put this knife away. The gunpowder's away. Okay. Everything's looking good. I'll keep the book on me just in case. So again, we'll save. Alright, well, I think that concludes our video for today. So if you're enjoying the video so far, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to continue this journey with me on Resident Evil 2 Remake, then please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.